Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? In today's video, I want to talk more about security for our homes. Well, today I had some more security done for my house, okay? And by that, I mean I had my sliding glass doors fixed. My sliding glass doors have been not busted, but, okay, the wheels. You know how there's wheels on the bottom of your sliding glass doors, which make it slide across the track and slide back across the track, right? All right. Well, I'm going to show you what the old wheels look like. Now, brace yourselves. Look at this. Look at the rust coming off. Look at that. Okay? So, I had the wheels replaced because my doors are double doors. Look, 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 look. They're opening and closing all on their own. Oh my God. I haven't had that in years. This has always been a security measure for me and Sean, okay? This has always been a concern of ours. Because these doors have never been able to shut properly or even lock properly because of those wheels. Now, I spoke to the guy who came out, and he said, this right here, number one, he said, this is how they get in. So, I have to make a decision. Now that the doors are fixed, should I take that out? Now, the dogs are used to going in and out of the doggy door. So should I take that out due to security measures? Now, this company that I went with works with all of the Tampa Bay area. This is his name. Okay, he works with Hernando County, Pasco County, Citrus County, Hillsborough County, Pinellas County, I believe he said another county as well. So if you're in the Tampa Bay area, give this guy a call. He is funnier than hell. When I tell you, he had me laughing so hard. And he's Italian. Call him. Okay, they even do windows. They do everything. The only thing they don't do is screens. Okay? But he fixes windows, he fixes doors, he does everything. Now, in order to have all this done, where is it? $170, okay? Not bad. Not bad considering this has been a problem for us, patches, for years. Okay? And you saw that wheel, I showed it to you, okay? That was a major issue when it came to security for these doors here. Now, I asked him, I said, what is the one place that a potential burglar going to go to? And he said, if he didn't have the doggy door, he said, they're going to get in regardless if you want, it doesn't matter. Whether it's a sliding glass door, whether it's the front door, whether it's a window, he said it doesn't matter. He said, they're going to get in. He said, so that's why, he said, it's a good thing that you have that metal dowel. He said, wooden dowels, garbage. He said, metal is the way to go. He said, because metal is not going to break and shatter and splinter like wood does. He said, so get the metal ones. So the metal one that I have, yeah, I bought it on Amazon. We've had it for like 10 years, but they still sell it on Amazon. So if I can find it, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Also, if you are in the Tampa Bay area, give this guy a call. His name is John. He is hysterical. Tell him I sent you, okay? And I told him that I will be giving him a shout out on my channel. And he said, please do. And he also asked me to leave him a Google review, so I will. And listen, hell of a guy. Hell of a guy, okay? So, and he's Italian, like I said. So, anyway, but he said that this is one of the biggest security measures you could possibly do is when it comes to sliding glass doors is to make sure they work properly. He even put a new lock. I know it's not white, okay? It's brown, but it doesn't match. Who cares? It locks. Because for the longest time, we didn't have the proper lock on the sliding glass door. Okay? So now that we are good to go, I feel more safe and secure. We're going to keep the metal dowel on regardless. Regardless, it doesn't matter. All right? So that's coming from him, that you got to get the metal dowels. Wooden dowels, garbage. Don't do it. Okay? All right, guys, that's all for this video. Just, can you imagine? This is what we were dealing with. Look at this. Look at the rust coming off of that. Look, look. All right? But this is also the construction grade garbage that they put on your doors when they're building your house. I'm the original owner of this house. All right? Construction grade garbage. If you're going to be building a home, make sure they put the good stuff on your house, please, and not the bowl. Because when Sean and I were building this house, we were young, we were naive, and this was the first house we were ever building. Now that we're going to be building a second house and selling this one, now I know what to do. All right? So next up, we're going to be having gutters put on the house. I got an estimate done for that today. We're looking at $1,100. And this guy said, yeah, he said, that's a really good price, $1,100. I said, okay. He said, for your size house, yeah, $1,100. I said, all right. So we're going to go and get the gutters done with the company that we chose. So, but he said, just for, if you want, go get 2 more estimates. And, but he said, I can guarantee you they're all going to come back at about $1,100. I said, all right. So $1,100 is what it is. So that's all for this video, guys. Stay safe. Stay positive. I love you. Always remember that. Keep prepping. God bless. And if you need me for any reason, even if you just want to talk, I'm always here. Email me, butterfly030807@gmail.com. I will always be here for you, regardless of what it is, okay? And look at my goofies. Look at my goofballs. Look at what they're doing. Look at these Riri's. Look at them. Look. What are you doing? Hey! What are you doing? What are you doing? Penelope, say hi. Say I love you. Ridley, he's not coming out to play right now. Ridley loves our neighbor's dog. Our neighbor's dog, his name is Jax, and he's a Weimaraner. What are you doing? You're not going to get to China that way. Would you look at this, please? Security measures, Penelope. Security measures. All right, guys. Have a great day. And Merry Christmas. Bye.